Hi friends, so this is our iPhone 360. It's time to learn how to fix iOS 17 bug that switches apps while typing on iPhone. A good number of iPhone users are reporting a persistent bug that causes the app switcher to suddenly appear when they are typing on the screen. If you have also experienced this frustrating issue, you are not alone. Fortunately, there is a quick way to fix the problem. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. First and foremost, open the Settings app on your iPhone. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Accessibility. Then head over to the Physical and Motor section, and after that select Touch. And finally turn off the toggle next to Reachability. Disabling reachability appears to stop the typing bug in its tracks for everyone affected, which suggests that Apple has an unidentified sensitivity issue linked to the accessibility feature. However, if it doesn't work, I would recommend you to go for the software update. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update and then download and install the latest version of iOS, and that's pretty much it. So, these are the best tips and tricks to fix iOS 17 bug that switches apps while typing on iPhone. Hopefully, you have gotten the better of the problem. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.